But you shall have a select group of service agency. I think one. Okay. Like. A selecting group of service agency. So at the end of first this was donated by Rotary. Of course, the municipality completed the unfinished. So they dedicate predominantly they will move around space in what you have as a deal and I would like it. $39 once you are what between so what we did, we provide a sample
They did this for every cycle.
This is our day. Rotaractors, interactors, and our special guests. Allow me to make a few. Before we move into the details of the program, we have our annual accompanied by the district members. All these have come to celebrate with you. We have a Mugole who is
okusingira ddala our family members Ichiroteli to be fellowshipping from this place. Julie, let me
Governor, we also have projects to run, and as a president, with my team members, plus especially the board, we've strategized mainly to work on maternal and child care. Maternal health and child care. Reason is that it's because the MP had gone, but we have a challenge with the expecting mothers at our health center 3 at Nakifuma. these mothers, statistics show that some of the children are losing lives, and the mothers are left unattended. Therefore, we ask that we join hands with this dedicated team. We all have meager incomes, but they are dedicated to serve society. We join hands and ensure that we support the mothers with just one simple thing, the mother kit. The mother kits, we expect to provide about 1,000 kits to that health center 3. And from this, we believe, number one, we shall have safe drives. And most, of course, most men, especially those who are not here, have not helped their spouses, especially at that stage when they're expecting. So we need to come as Rotarians, as friends, as well wishers to support these mothers and the young ones, the children. We believe when we do that, we shall have changed something within the framework of society. 1,000 kits, each kit is estimated at 30,000. And I believe 30,000 from within ourselves, as we work with Rotary, is that one contribution by an individual makes a bigger change. Even if you bring 10,000 as a Rotarian and put it in the foundation body, which definitely at the end of the day comes back, it causes a bigger change. So members, I call upon you with the help of our fundraising team to give support for that cause. Finally, Governor, I want to introduce you my team that I've chosen.
That's what makes him look and appear different. Jennifer Jones, and on behalf of District 9213, I do hereby formally and officially present to you the Chaka President. So, this is the time, this is the day, this is the venue, and you are all part of the witness to see our Charter President being officially presented to the President, and on every fellowship day, the President should be very formally and thematically dressed. Yeah. And so, Mr. President, that is that. The certificate certifies that a club by the names of Nagalama does exist. So I would like to hand it over to the President, and whenever you are changing leadership, you are hereby inducted as the charter member of the Rotary Club of Nagalama. Be ready and available to serve humanity. You are hereby inducted as a charter member of the Rotary Club of Nagalama. Be available and ready to serve humanity. This certificate here of a member of Rotary, no kuteka okira. We are here, we are using the dual language.
That is a vibe of Nagalama. So it's so completely, you know? a special event idea.
Kulw'obulungi bw'abantu bonna, Bannarotary be bantu abaagala abantu ate nga baagaliza abantu n'ozo bya Rotary era asobola okutuukiriza ebigendererwa bya Rotary. N'olwekyo njagala okukozesa omukisa guno n'obuvunaanyizibwa okugamba nti ku lunaku lwa leero olwa Chata ate era naye ayingidde mu Rotary. Kubanga Rotary eringa kufumba mmere. When you are preparing a meal, there are two types of meals. There is where you need a lot of fuel, you need a lot of energy. For instance, if you are preparing dry beans, you may need a whole day to prepare. But when you are preparing an omelette, it certifies that a club by the names of Nagalama does exist. So I would like to hand it over to the President, and whenever you are changing leadership, this certificate should be Ngakirabu eno erina ow'ekiseera amakubo.
I have been so inspired. I can assure you, Chief Guest, that it won't take me so long. And I have been inspired by your introduction here by a lady, one of the hierarchies in the Rotary. Now only there, abamba jita ndugu, Now only there ndugu, ngebitiwa byonna, babikika mukwano gwange, Michael Ssebaru, nga byonna gwe babikika, nga mpulira sikyagoba na kugoba. Nange neegomba nfune ku bisiibwa ebyo byempulidde Major Donor. Nga nange ndi Major Donor. Nkole nnyo, lumu nange banyanjule wano, district government.